Today I will show you that how you can easily update WhatsApp to the latest version on your iPhone and Android. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up the App Store on your iPhone, and if you're on an Android, open up the Google Play Store. After that, you'll have to tap on the search bar on the bottom right corner and then simply search for WhatsApp. Then search, and if it says update instead of open, you'll have to tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. But in some cases it may show you the open button, but you still don't have access to latest features of WhatsApp application. So in that case, there is a second option that you can follow to force update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And to do that, you'll have to head over to the settings, and then you'll have to tap on general and then iPhone storage, and then you'll have to look for WhatsApp, and then you'll have to tap on it. And right here you'll be able to clear all the cache of WhatsApp to fix all the bugs and glitches and forcefully update it to the latest version. To do that, you'll have to tap on offload app and then hit offload again. And keep one thing in mind, that it will not delete any one of your files or data. And then you'll have to reinstall the app, and you'll be able to update it to the latest version, and you'll have access to the all the latest features of WhatsApp. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.